Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. This is a Touring L trim level. It is molten silver in color, has alloy wheels. This is a 7-passenger vehicle. It was bought here at Firkins. It does have the backup camera, backup sensors. Does have the roof racks, and it does have steps. Easy in and out. Does have all your automatic windows, door locks, mirrors, 8-way power, 4-way lumbar, driver and passenger with auto headlights, Bluetooth, voice recognition, cruise control, 8.4 radio screen with navigation, heated seats. Very, very nice vehicle. Very well kept. Does have the 911 assist. This vehicle will be certified. It will come with 7-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain and 39 months or 39,000 mile on the bumper to bumper. So this is an awesome vehicle. If you'd like pricing and more information, please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. You'll only find it at Firkins.